is Azyyati Mahat. I am from Faculty of Applied Science, Group 15. So today, I'm gonna present to you guys the topic of the history of atom for my Chemistry 131 presentation. So, just stay tuned and watch this video until the end, okay? So, this is the early idea of the atom. The matter was composed by indivisible building blocks. This has been recorded by Leucippus and Democritus at the 5th century. The Greeks called these particles as atomos, which mean indivisible. The modern words that we call atom was derived from this term. So, after the early idea of the atom, there have 5 persons who have developed the idea into their own theory. So, the first one that we're going to look now is John Dalton. So, the first person that we're going to talk is John Dalton. John Dalton has started in 1803 years with his solid sphere model. As you can see, it is a round solid model. So, his theory stated that all matters was comprised by a tiny and definite atoms. Second, the atoms are indivisible and indestructible. Third, atoms of the same elements have the same properties, including weight. We can take example of nitrogen atom. Each nitrogen atom in this whole world will have the same weight, which is 14.007. Third, all atoms of the different elements will have the different properties, including weight. So, for example, we can take oxygen atoms and nitrogen atoms. Both of them have different weight, right? So, the fifth theory stated that all compounds are combinations of different types of atoms. So these are the theories that made by John Dalton. So the second person is J.J. Thomson. J.J. Thomson had been started in 1904 with his plum pudding model. As you can see, the orange part is the positively charged matter, while the negative sign is the electron. Thomson has discovered the electron that being called as corpuscles in atom in around 1897, and after that he had been won the Nobel Prizes. After that, he always made a plum pudding model of the atom. This has shown that the atom was composed by the electron that scattered all around the spherical cloud of positive charge. So, the third person is Ernest Rutherford theory. Ernest Rutherford has been started at 1911 with his nuclear model. Rutherford has fired the positively charged alpha particle through a thin gold foil, and most of the particle has passes through it with a little deflection, but some of it has deflected at a large angle. This was only possible happen if the atom was mostly filled with the empty space, with the positively charged concentrated at the center, which is at the nucleus. So, the fourth person is Niels Bohr's theory. It has been started at 1913 with his planetary model. Bohr has modified the Rutherford's model of atoms, as he stated that the electron moving around the nucleus in the orbit with the same size and energy. Electron energy was quantized, and the electron cannot occupy the values of energy between the same energy level. So, lastly, we have Erwin Schrödinger theory. It has been started at 1926 with his quantum model. He stated that the electron does not move in a set of paths, but instead of that, he is moving in a wave pattern. It is impossible for us to know the exact location of the electron, as there is a cloud of possibilities called orbital, and which we were more likely to find the electron. And so far, this quantum model theory, are the only one theory that has been accepted because it has been described accurately about the atom until now. So that's all that I can be shared in this video regarding the history of the atom. So hopefully you all can get some information or widen your knowledge regarding this topic. So don't forget to give a thumbs up and comment down below, and we will see you next time. Yes, next time. Bye.